Okay, in this lesson, we will interpret products of whole numbers. We will interpret 5 times 7 as the total number of objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. And we will use Python code to solve this problem. So let's take a look at it. Here we have 5 groups. Group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And in each group we have 7 objects. And we know that the total number of objects equals 35. So how do we express this or create this using code? So let's begin by commenting our problem, because commenting is very important when you're writing code. So type the # or hashtag, and let's type interpret 5, and we'll use the letter X for the multiplication symbol, 5 times 7, as the total number of objects in 5 groups of 7 objects each. Okay, so now we have our problem commented. Now let's begin by building our groups. So what we're going to do is declare 5 variables to represent our 5 groups. So let's begin by typing group 1, hit the space bar, type the equal sign, hit the space bar again, and we're going to give it a value of 7 because we have 7 in each group. So we'll create another variable, group 2 equals 7. And we'll create a third group, group 3 equals 7. And then group 4 equals 7. And then misspelled group 5 equals 7. So now we have our 5 groups and we have 7 objects in each group. So let's go back to our problem real quick to see how they match up. Group 1 is equal to 7, and group 1 here is equal to 7, and all of our remaining groups, groups 2, 3, 4, and 5, also have 7. So we've represented our drawing here with Python code. Alright, let's make the magic happen. Let's go ahead and check our answer. So how could we find out if our answer is correct when we say that there are a total of 35 objects? Well, using the print command, let's add our 5 groups. So if we type in group 1 plus group 2 plus group 3 plus group 4 plus group 5, and we click the run button, voila, we get the answer 35. So let's try this another way. If we told the computer to print in our equation we said 5 times 7, so if we say 5 and then we type the asterisk, because remember in Python coding the asterisk, we use the asterisk as the sign for multiplication, times 7. Click run. 35. So in this lesson we learned that if we take 7 objects and divide them into 5 groups, we get 35. So in this lesson we learned that if we have 5 groups and we put 7 objects in each group, we get a total of 35. Hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you.